Hello guys, today we have Abu Wafi with us, and first I would like to show his vehicle. Look at this vehicle here first. Here is my friend. He is the owner of the vehicle. I give you
your customer?
no, leave him. Customer next time. Okay, see. If you are going outside trip, this is one of the best source for you. First I give you one outside look. If I can show you. Here we go. This is this vehicle. If you are going for the long trip, this is the best thing. Okay. Now we will talk with the owner of this vehicle. What he says about Abu Wafi, please come here. How are you? Fine?
I'm fine.
This is our friend Abu Wafi. So Abu Wafi, tell us about this vehicle. What is this model
I
and
speak
name?
English little, you know.
Okay, no problem. No problem. It's okay. What is the name of this one vehicle? Name? This one.
Name, trip car. Trip car.
Trip car, huh?
Yes, overland.
Okay.
Off-road.
What is this model for this one?
1991.
91.
Yes.
Okay. When did you get this one? When did you purchase it? See here, if you want to sleep, you can relax, you can sit, whatever you want. Here we go.
And you have bathroom.
Okay, you have washroom as well. This is the washroom. I don't know whether you can see it or not. Here. This is awesome. Here we go.
Screen.
You have, yes. Here you have one LCD. If you want to enjoy watching television, LCD, you can do it. Here we go. This one. I'm bad at taking pictures, making videos.
We have freezer here.
This is the freezer.
Yes.
You can keep your stuff inside here. This is the driving seat. Here we go. This is driving seat. Abu Wafi,
Air conditioner.
did you go for any long trip?
Yes.
Where?
Long Abha.
Abha.
Abha, yes.
How
6 hours.
how kilometer it is far away from here?
Sorry?
How far is it away from here?
No, maybe 800 kilometers.
800 kilometer, huh? You were with your family.
Yes, with my family and my children.
MashaAllah, MashaAllah, Abu
Yeah.
Wafi. So how long have you been having this vehicle? من كم سنة معك هذا؟
من كم سنة؟ ممكن 3 سنوات.
Okay.
Yes, yes.
So this is good with you. It never broken down.
No, no need to book.
ما خربت.
لا لا الحمد لله. لا لا ما في شغل.
It's okay, huh?
الحمد لله. سيارة كويسة نظيفة عشان كذا أنا سويت.
Okay. What was the price when did you purchase this one?
لا ما في.
لا كم
اشتري ولا
كم شريت انت؟ What was the price?
9,000.
9,000. Really, it's awesome.
9,000 without
9,000 you purchased for this one, 9,000 only.
yes, only car.
Only car.
Yes.
So you decorated this inside?
هذا أنا أسوي.
سويته انت كله سويته؟
هذا أنا أسوي.
हाँ. MashaAllah Abu Wafi. This is nice. I liked it.
خلاص خلي هنا قدام في زحمة. You can sit. ثابت. The outside unit for air temperature.
This is forward?
Okay.
Ah, this is air conditioning, huh? Abu Wafi, this is 9,000.
9,000.
You purchased 9,000 this one.
Only car.
Only car.
Yes. Without
The-
any modify. كله أنا أسوي. هذا
آه.
bathroom، هذا bed، هذا ممكن 9,000.
Ah. Okay, how much did it cost you to decorate inside? Kam kalaf jua? 10,000. It means in 20,000 you got this one. MashaAllah. Okay, thank you very much, Abu Wafi.
My brother.
Thank you very much.
Shahzad bhai. Welcome.
Thank you very much. So nice of you. Okay, goodbye.
Want to come with me or not?
Yes. Okay, here we are having this drive here. Let's we check how does it move. Abu Wafi, so nice. So nice, Abu Wafi. Abu Wafi, who gave you the idea to purchase this one? مين كلم انت ايش تشتري سيارة هذا؟
انا شوف هذا امريكي نفر
ها
هو سوي ضبط زي كذا انا فكره يجي
انت يجي فكرة.
لان انا ابغى اشتري جاهز غالي.
طيب انت اسمع اول انت شريت واحد جديد انا سمعته ممكن 60,000.
بس
هو-
غالي ايش فايده انا ابيع بعدين اسوي هذا انا شوف فكره كيف
اه
بعدين انا اسوي
ما شاء الله ما شاء الله.
هذا لوكل
Yeah. It means you decorated this all. انت ظبطت كله ها؟ ما شاء الله ابو وافي. Okay ابو وافي, thank you.